YouTube, and today we're at a Shell station located in Bradford, and they have a car wash. It is actually a Choice car wash actually. You can see on the sign. We will park here and we will get the basic soft touch wash. It is a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT. It used to be a PDQ laser wash 4000. So anyways, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so
how do we get in here?
So we guess we can make the sharp turn right here. What? So you're going for one way now.
Why the hell did
There's a car wash entrance over there. Guess we have to make a quick turn around here to get to the entrance. So anyways, enough of that. We got the basic soft touch wash. It was $9.99. And it came to $11.29. So let's see if it's worth it. And here's the code. So the code is 59981. And there we go. We can go ahead into the wash. Here's our code machine. Now we can go ahead. There will be no undercarriage spray. So drive ahead. Stop. And let the wash begin. And we're getting the brushes now. This used to be a laser wash 4000. We're getting the pre-soak. Now we're getting the brushes. Now we are getting the high power rinse. Now we are done with the high power rinse. Now we are getting the final rinse. I'll come back one day and get the ultimate soft touch wash and the ultimate touch free wash one day. Now we can go ahead with the dryers. There we go. We have Mark 7 for text dryers. So let's see if we do a great job. We have 73 seconds of a dryer time. Well, the dryers are not doing a great job. Here's the signage for high power rinse, tri-foam, wash, tire cleaner, shield, rinse, and air dry. There's no side dryers here, so they are just for top dryers here. Looks like they are getting the sides well. We are done. And that's the Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT FL Shell Station located in Bradford. Looks like this wash has done a great job. So anyways, thanks, that's it. Thanks for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one. Have a good day.